चाहिए अगर आप कुछ अलग करना चाहते हो. आई थिंक इट्स द राइट टाइम टू डाइवर्सिफाई एंड अगर आप देखो तो आजकल सारे हमारे इंडस्ट्री के सारे औरतें एकदम मतलब बिजनेस वुमन बन गए. दे all doing a fantastic job. It's all very simple, very wearable, very affordable. We have the resort collection. We have a collection for the party season. We're previewing a collection which is for 2014. So yeah, there's a lot. And like I said, um, they're for women of all kinds of shapes and sizes. We're not restricting it only to the young kids or only for or for the middle age. It's for everybody. There's something for everybody. Well, I think fashion and clothing and all is something that I've always loved. I've always enjoyed. But when the opportunity came my way, the Label Corp asked me to be part of their family, and they asked me if I'd do the closet label. I jumped at it because it just seemed like such an interesting concept. It's something that I never really ventured into earlier. I'd never really got into the e-com of the business or shopping, and it seemed like a different idea to actually go online and shop. And बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है because इतने सारे जो customers जो आते हैं और shop करते हैं online, it's amazing. I didn't even know there are so many people who shop online, but now that I have this, it's good fun. वो तो अभी पता नहीं. I think right now that's a little premature for me to be talking about. Right now we're enjoying what we're doing online and we're loving it. And what we're doing today is a preview purely because when you shop online, you rarely get to see, to feel the clothes कि कैसा रहेगा, उनका texture कैसा है, how does it fit. So this is what we're doing today, is basically so that you actually get a chance to preview my collection and touch, feel and hold and enjoy it. It's, by the grace of God, it's been fantastic. It's been a lot of fun. The best part is when you actually go out and somebody is wearing something from your collection and they tell you, we love what you make and we love what we shop on the closet label. So it feels really good. But no, shayad very soon, you never know. I'll have a show or something and I can actually preview it on RAM. That will be fantastic. That will be a true dream come true. Everybody's always happy. I think the best part is everybody's supportive, everybody's happy, and everybody shops online. So it's good. All of them, all my families, they're all aware. My sister-in-law, my sister, my husband, my friends, everybody is aware. But like I said, it's for women. They shop on. Well, we're in the middle of starting our next film, which we're producing in the new year. So that is what we're busy with, and we're looking forward to the film. Hi everybody, this is Malaika Arora Khan, and here's wishing everybody a Merry Christmas and a fantastic New Year. Happy 2014.